Hi, my name's Maggie at Pure Heart, and today I'd like to show you how to make lemon water that you can have every morning when you wake up. So I like to use organic lemons. I don't use the lemons that you can buy in plastic. You need fresh lemon. Lemon is acidic, but in the body it's metabolised and becomes alkaline. So squeeze the juice of half a lemon, which is going everywhere, seeds and all. It's so simple and inexpensive, and it helps to give you beautiful skin because it detoxifies your liver and your kidneys. So that's it, try it. Delicious. So the other one, in this glass I have some warm water because I'm going to dissolve honey in there. So squeeze the other half in, add real honey. This one's from France. Let that dissolve. Also add some cinnamon, just a sprinkle. You know, they say that lemon water helps to promote weight loss, so that's also great news, isn't it? Yeah. The cinnamon doesn't actually dissolve. That doesn't matter. Yeah. So easy. So, here's to you, your health. Fantastic. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and I'll see you next time.